The last tutorial for using OmniPage that we're going to do is going to look at a combination of manual and automatic. We're going to manually load the files, and then we will have OmniPage automatically recognize the scannable area. And then we might modify that area depending on what's recognized. So first, let's load the file. We're going to select our same file. I'll use just one page as an example here. Click OK. There's our page. There is a button in the OmniPage window right here. It's called On the Fly Zoning. If you press this, OmniPage will scan the image and it will attempt to recognize all the scannable areas. It then goes through the proofread process and OCR automatically. We don't necessarily need all that, so I'll close the proofreader. And this works pretty well, except for this area that's up on top here. Let me choose the arrow. This area was also selected as an area to be scanned. This is the title area of the document. We don't need that for this example for the purposes of the spreadsheet. Also, this little area here was part of the fax header when this document was faxed. We definitely don't need that. So we're going to select those with a mouse and press the delete key on the keyboard. Now the area is pretty clean with just the main spreadsheet area. Let's go ahead and press the OCR button. OmniPage will ask if we want to re-recognize it because it's already done the OCR. We do. We want it to redo the process. It will scan the document based on the areas that were selected and will run through a spell checking process. I'm going to skip the spell checker. If you want pinpoint accuracy, you will want to run through the spell checker and make sure that the errors are okay. The output is generated here in the text editor window, and we can see that it looks like the columns of data were actually put in to columns in the spreadsheet here. So that looks pretty decent. We're going to save this output just by clicking the save button, and we're going to call this On the Fly because that's how we selected the zones. We did On the Fly, and then we manually deleted zones that we did not want. Click OK. Document is finished.